Welcome to your CompoSIDE tutorial video on FESpace. This will show you how to work with orientation sets and rules in FESpace. Orientation sets are used to define the fiber direction of plies and are applied to shells. Rules can be also applied to plies or loads to a selected area of elements. To apply an orientation set to a shell, right-click on the Orientation Set folder and select Create Orientation Set. Name it and give it a rotation to another orientation set. You can preview this by selecting an element from the drop-down list. Orientation sets can also be used to interpolate fiber directions on a curved surface. For example, two coordinate systems rotated at 90 degrees about the x-axis can be interpolated on a surface, allowing a more accurate definition of fiber orientation on complex surfaces. Rules can be applied as one of three rules: cylindrical, parallel, or polygon. Create a panel and apply a laminate to it as shown in Tutorial 8. Click on the Rules button and select a rule. There is already a cylindrical rule and a polygon rule, as you can see. However, a parallel rule needs to be created. Click on Rules, select Parallel Rule, and the editor will open. Select the coordinate system and versor of the plane, which is by default the x-axis. Set a lower and upper limit. You'll be able to see two grey planes, the area between which will be the selected mesh. You can invert this rule to exclude the elements which would previously be selected. Save it and expand the Rules folder. Select your new rule and mesh the model. Make sure Layer 4 is visible to see the mesh, and you will see the elements highlighted in yellow. If you select more than one rule, it will use the elements that are shared between both rules only. To apply this to a laminate, edit the stack by right-clicking on the shell, select the plies you wish to assign it to, and select it in the list, then click Save. In the R column, you'll see how many rules are applied to the ply. Make sure you have created a load case, mesh, and calculate the plate.